Hello Kosi Nation, Saubona Unjani. Welcome back, welcome again, and this is your favorite brand channel, the Amakos TV. For here, we bring to you all the news, updates, and all the information concerning our club of Kaizer Chiefs, and especially for this period before the coming of the summer transfer window. We are here to make sure that you are getting day by day 24/7 hours all the news and updates about our lovely club of Kaizer Chiefs. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share our video to make sure that all the Kaizer Chiefs information and updates are become viral. So for today we have a good news, but before I'm going direct for our information, I wanna say that thanks for those who have been in a true love for our channel and who have been supporting us day by day. May I say that God bless you. But for today we have a good news for the three signing in our club of Kaizer Chiefs. As you see, the club of Kaizer Chiefs has been struggling hardly to make sure that Yusuf Maat is going to sign and to be back for Kaizer Chiefs. This is just a good moment we were waiting so much as the fan of Kaizer Chiefs, because we all know that this player has been improved well. So the issue was to wait till he's coming to rejoin for his team of Kaizer Chiefs. As we all know that Yusuf Maat, he went for the club of Leeds, but for now he has been back to our club. Also, we have a good news so far to say that the club of Kaizer Chiefs Football Club has been also going to win on the signing of so many players who have a big talent to make sure that they are coming to help for our club of Kaizer Chiefs. So this is just a matter of time to see how the club will be going to be back. So apart of the coming of Yusuf Maat, also we have different players that will be going to be introduced by the club official, the official club of Kaizer Chiefs. So we have to wait to make sure that these players are going to be introduced by the club of Kaizer Chiefs, and I hope that we'll be also will be happy to see them joining for our lovely club of Kaizer Chiefs. Other issues concerning the club is to make sure that before the pre-season, the club will be going to prepare to make sure that for the next season we are going to do good as much as possible. Thanks for watching us, and this is the Amakos TV.